These are the elevators at the Liberty Garage at the VA Hospital in Gainesville, Florida. They're Gen 2s with the rear door. This one right here is out of service. We're gonna go up to 7. Here we are at 7, the top of the garage. Again, you can see one of them is out of service. Let's go down to G. There's your cab view. Interesting how they have the European style floor numbering. Although that might just be because G is on the front door and all the rest are on the rear doors. Yeah, because 1 and G aren't that far apart. You know what? Just because I'm curious, let's go to 1 and see how far up is 1 exactly. Doesn't feel very far at all. I think it's because you can see that 1 is like maybe half a floor up. There's a fire exit right here, which might give you a little perspective. Where the pavement is, that's it. That's where floor G is. So we maybe went up about half a flight. So up maybe at the top of that ramp is where level 2 begins, and that would be a full flight up, but now we're only about half of 1. So really maybe you can think about it as floor 7 is really floor 7.5, floor 1 is 1.5, G is 1. So anyway, there it goes, and that's it.